Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside my Fly Racing helmet garage, we have a brand new graphic. It's a replica graphic for the greatest motorcycle racer ever to throw a leg over a bike. This is the all-new Shoei X15 Marquez 8. It comes with a clear screen. I threw a bug-riddled dark smoke on this for effect. It's a good-looking graphic, man. I think this might be my favorite of all time for Marc Marquez Shoei helmets. Retail on this is $10.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. What does it come with? It comes with a really nice padded helmet bag, clear screen, chin curtain, breath deflector. Comes with a pin lock insert. Something else I want to show you. You know, this, a lot of people might be like, this really isn't a big deal. Done a lot of helmet videos over the years, and I've said for years, when it comes to final quality, final build quality design, Shoei is that last little bit above all the other premium manufacturers. And when you look at all just the stuff even that came with it, the box is nicer than, because I just did a whole bunch of helmets today. And just even the way they ship it, right? That molded styrofoam, there's like an EPS inside the box to protect the helmet. All that shit adds up to the Shoei difference. This is the all-new Shoei Marquez, greatest motorcycle racer ever, 8 X15 helmet.